I'm going to share with you a really cool tool to remove your adhesive stuck on garbage. This is part of the 3M Shield kit on this RV, and it's nasty, it's rotted. Doesn't hurt the paint at all. Now there's the adhesive right there, and I'll show you how we get that off. That's what I meant to say. This takes off the shield or the sticker, then you still have to remove the adhesive. I'll show you how to do that. Off, gone. All you do is take your adhesive remover. All the tools will be in the show more of the video description. Julio, tell everybody where the tools are.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Reddington, Thompson, Harrington, whatever. He changes his name so much. So we just let that soak. Now I have some over here. Not sure if you can see that adhesive on there or not. All right, this is plain adhesive. Watch how good this scraper works. With this, it's a lighter adhesive than the 3M stuff. Watch. Then we take our yellow stuff, one spray, and wipe all the boogers and the rest of it off. The adhesive's on there. We'll just take our good scraper here. Look at that. You may have to do this a couple of times to get it all off, especially with the 3M stuff, because it's tough. Then I'll spray this on, let it set for a couple minutes, and finish it off. All right, let's see what it does now. Look at that. Little yellow stuff. I'll work that around on there. We'll wipe that up. The yellow stuff really helps removing the boogers because they like to stick. Looks pretty good. Not perfect the way I want it though. So we're going to spray it one more time with adhesive remover. And we'll scrape it while it's still wet. As I said, the 3M adhesives, they are a bear. But these scrapers are the bomb. You need these. It doesn't scratch your paint at all. Clean all that off. We'll neutralize it out with our yellow stuff. Now we're going to buff it out with some mothers. Now we take our buffer. If you're worried about scratching, that's why they had it on there for the key. If you poked it, you can ceramic coat it with our ceramic coating. That'll be in the tools list too. You won't have to worry about that. Now we take our good microfiber and buff it out. What do you think of that, folks? Let me share an area with you that we did that was just like this. I did the same process. That's adhesive that needs to be removed. The plastic shield's been removed already. But look what happened. I did the same thing here as I just did on that key lock. Using the same method. The right products and the right tools. Sweet Project Cars out.